I'm Kendra Beatty, the Business Manager 2 of DPW Fleet Service Command Center. Here at the Fleet Command Center, within our scope will be preventative maintenance, which is a major project right now for us, ensuring that all departments are adhering to ensuring that their vehicles are maintenance. So we'll be scheduling that, partnering with the installations. We'll be using telematics, which is a new pilot that we're running. So Geotab is a platform that will utilize telematics monitoring to be able to hook up a device to everyone's vehicles to be able to read what's going on in the dashboards, whether it's an engine code or a different type of fault code that's causing anything for the vehicle to shut down. We'll be able to see that on our end through telematics. We'll also do fuel monitoring at different fuel sites, and camera monitoring at the different installations and partnering with those different shops to ensure that they're adhering to policies and procedures at their shops as well. And then we also have an accident and customer portal launching very, very soon. So more to come there. I won't share too much there, but there is more to come and we're excited to launch the portal. On this screen, we are currently building out dashboards to help support our production and parts servicing. So we're building out graphs in order for them to monitor hours that's being spent servicing vehicles, performance, productivity. So we're hoping to roll that out within the next month. On this screen, we're also currently tracking the meters of fuel tanks. So you have the unleaded diesel tank readings that we are currently having right now. We're running a project for cost savings currently, so more to come there, but this is where we're kind of starting with the project right now in regards to just monitoring what's taking place in the city to help with cost saving as we go into 2025. And then lastly, on this screen, we utilize a platform called Fusus One to be able to monitor camera footage around the city through APD's camera view. So anytime there's incidents that take place, things of that nature or concerns, we'll be able to pull the footage, submit to any personnel that's needing that footage. Of course, we're preparing for, of course, the major events that are coming up. FIFA, Super Bowl, things of that nature, where we'll actually need a lot of this footage and just to prepare for safety concerns.
Hi, I'm Pedro Asencios. I'm the data reporting analyst here in the Fleet Command Center at DPW Fleet Services. I pretty much create the dashboards and the reports for anyone that is in need of them by pulling the data from the database and things like that.
So all the vehicles right now, this is the heavy and medium side. We don't have all of the vehicles that have telematics in them yet, but current state, we are looking at in the dashboard what's going on with if vehicles need preventative maintenance, and if they do need it, we'll call them in, tell them like your vehicle needs servicing, to come in and let it get checked out. At the Fleet Command Center, we receive reports and databases in regards to vehicles that need to be serviced immediately. So what we do is we ensure that they get serviced by reaching out to the department users who are utilizing those city vehicles to ensure that their fault codes, engine issues get addressed immediately. Just checking in with everybody on tasks and projects. Kiana, I know you have the Geotab SOP going on. You're still waiting for Charlene to get back. And that's what I told actually Mr. Fitzgerald and Janice this morning too, that we probably won't be able to do that until she gets back, which they're totally fine with. SOP deadlines though, they do want to start having us close them out going into January. And then we also got to make how-to videos. So I was going to share that with you. Yeah, more to come on that. But so that's something additional we need to do on top of that. But they know the Geotab one, it's going to have to be built out and extensive, which is totally fine. But I know Khalil, some of the SOPs that we worked on, we're going to have to go back and do how-to videos.